Hi there, Esther. This seems to be the second problem, and I understand why this might be confusing. It's kind of written strangely. So I'm going to rewrite it in a way that might be a little bit familiar. I'm not fond of the horizontal version of fractions. It's just kind of confusing for the eyeballs. So first I'm going to rewrite it like this. X over 3 minus 20 equals 2. Now there's two ways to attack this. One, we're just going to treat this as a single entity. Same rules applies, variables to one side and numbers to the other. So I'm going to move this 20 first. So I'm going to go plus 20, plus 20, cancels, and I have x over 3 equals, excuse me, that right doesn't cancel per se, it adds. I apologize. That's going to be 2 plus 20, and of course that's 22. And then to get rid of this denominator over 3, we multiply 3 over 1, and that cancels, and we get the value of x is 3 times 22, which is 66. Okay, that is method number 1. Method number 1. Now I'm going to show you a second method. Whether or not you like it or not, that'll be up to you. Hang on, I lost my page for some reason, not quite sure why. Let's see here. There it is. Okay. Alrighty. Another way you can look at it is like this. X over 3 minus 20 equals 2. And there's a way to get rid of that fraction completely by multiplying everything by its opposite reciprocal. Okay, this is useful when you have multiple fractions. I'm going to show you that in the extra practice. So you ask yourself, we have a 3. We're going to put this over 1 and 1. And you ask yourself, what does 3, 1, and 1 all go into? And of course the answer is 3. So I'm going to go like this. And we do a method called arrow in, arrow out. 3 goes into 3 one time. So now I have 1x. 1 goes into 3 3 times. Put a little 3 there. So I'm going to go minus 60. And then this 1 goes into 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. And you just simply solve from there. Plus 60, plus 60. And again, you get the same answer. X equals 66. You'll see more of that on the extra practice.